Let's play. Trivia quiz. Quiz instruction. What is the largest land animal in the world? The answer is the African elephant. Which of these animals can fly? A. Penguin. B. Sparrow. C. Ostrich. The answer is B. Sparrow. A creature with 8 legs is called. The answer is spider. Which animal is known to laugh? A. Lion. B. Hyena. C. Gorilla. The answer is B. Hyena. What is the fastest land animal in the world? The answer is the cheetah. The largest mammal in the ocean is. The answer is whale. Great job! You've learned so much about animals today. Keep exploring the animal kingdom.